Next, I'll show you how to edit text, buttons, and images. Elementor makes it super easy to add new elements and make changes. To edit the text on a page, click on the text you want to update, and then simply type like you're in a word processor. You can also update text styles by clicking the Style tab in the left side inspector panel. To update buttons, it's similar. Click on the button you want to change, and then in the left side panel, change the text. You can link the button to a destination in the Link section on the left side panel. First, delete the pound sign. Then start typing the name of the page you want to connect and select it when it shows up. The link will fill in automatically. For external links, just paste the full URL. And like text, you can update button styles by clicking the Style tab. It's also really easy to add new elements to a page. Go up to the top and click plus to add an element. Then find the element type you want to add and drag it in. To move the element to a different spot on the page, simply click on it and drag it elsewhere. To remove an element, simply secondary click on it and then click delete. Next, I'll show you how to update the images. Click on any image you want to change, and then in the left side panel, hover over the image and select Choose Image. Then click Select Files to upload an image from your computer, or click Media Library to find one that's already on your site. You can also click Search Images to find stock images. When you find one you like, click Insert.